Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this glamorous yet very subtle makeup look that can easily be created by even a beginner. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching this video. I've already done my skincare. Always remember to prep your skin well before you start with your makeup because a good prep skin helps in getting a flawless makeup look. For my first step, I'm taking this primer. This one is smoothing primer from Sugar Cosmetics. I'll use a pea-size amount of this primer. I'll apply it on the areas where I have problems like fine lines or open pore. This primer really helps in blurring out any issues. Once done with my problematic areas, I'll spread this primer all over my face. For my next step, I'm taking this concealer from Swiss Beauty. This is one of my favorite concealer and I think this works better than a high-end concealer. I'll apply this concealer only on few spots, which is one on my inner corner and the other one underneath my eye, like so. Also one dot here. And that's it. And I'll tell you in a minute why I have done this step before the application of my foundation. With the help of a concealer brush, I am just spreading this concealer. And you can see I have taken a very little amount of this concealer. I always believe in taking less amount and if needed, then only reapply a little bit more of the product. Watch me, I'm using my finger to just pat my skin on top of the concealer that I have just applied so that with the warmth of my finger, the product applies very smoothly. Just like this. Now you cannot see any crease underneath my eyes because I've used very little product and I've blended it properly. Then I also used fingers to blend it another time. Coming to our most important step, which is the application of foundation. And for this particular look, I'm going with this Tilted Cushion Foundation, which was viral because of all the right reasons. If you want to see my complete review on this product, then I've put the details in my description box below. You can check that out. I totally love this product and today we will use this because it gives kind of medium to high coverage, and even after the application of this product, you feel like that you have no makeup on your skin. I mean, you feel there is makeup but very light makeup. This product doesn't feel heavy on your skin, and just watch me doing just that. I'll be using the sponge that comes with this product and I'll take the product on it. Excess product I'll tap off here and then I'll apply it on my skin. Can you see its coverage? Like, let me apply it on here where you can see a little bit of redness was there, but it has just disappeared right now after just one swap of this product. Let me quickly apply this all over my face. You just need to use tap motion to gently push this product onto your skin. Now, if you have noticed, I didn't have to apply this product underneath my eye area because I already had my concealer on and my underneath eye area has already brightened up with that first step. I'll also apply a little bit of this foundation on the neck to even it out and make it look just as the color of my face. Next, I'm going in with the contour, and for that I'm taking the stick foundation from Nykaa and I'll apply it wherever I want to create some shadows. I will blend this out. You can see I've created some shadows on my cheeks and I'll also do the same on my jawline to make it look more chiseled. This step is not compulsory, but if you want, you can do it. I'll just take my concealer and I'll apply it just beneath the area where I've done my contour. Like this. For my jaw, it is slightly above, and for my cheeks, it is just down below the area where I've done this contouring. I'm taking my clean brush and I'll just blend it out so as to get a very sharp and chiseled look. My next step, which is the application of blush, I'm taking this lip and cheek jelly tint from Posh Beauty. These days I have fallen in love with this jelly tint and I apply it a lot. So first I'm applying it on my cheeks here You can also apply it a little bit on your eyelid. And with the help of my fingers, I'll slightly blend it out. And let me tell you the beauty of this gelatin. Once you have applied it, it remains on your cheeks for a very long time. It doesn't budge whatsoever. For my liking, I'm just intensifying it a bit. It looks very natural on your skin. I'll also blend this. It's giving a very natural and subtle flushed look. On top of it, I'll also apply this cream blush from Swiss Beauty. This one is in the shade Check Me Up. Applying a little bit like this, and I'll just use my fingers to blend this out. Now I'm taking this setting powder. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me range. This is one of my favorite loose powder. I'll take this product on my big fluffy brush, pat off any extra product from my brush, and then I'll apply it all over my face with very light hand. Also on my eyelid. To lock in my makeup, I'm using this setting spray from Lakme. This is their Makeup Plus Skincare Vitamin C Super Glow Skin Perfecting Makeup Fixer. I'll let it get dry, and in the meantime, I'll do my brows. I'm doing my brows with the help of this brow pencil. This one is my favorite, and it is from Etude House. I like to do my brows when my setting spray is getting dry, so it just saves my time. I do not have to wait for a few seconds to just let my setting spray get dry. Now with the help of spoolie, I'm setting my brows. My brows are done. Let's move on to eye makeup, and we will be doing a very subtle eye makeup which can be done by anyone. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using this shadow sticks. This one is from ColourPop, and this one is in the shade Socialite. I really love this shade, and it is so creamy. It applies on your eyelid very easily. So this can be used by anyone. Like, it is really very easy to use. I have applied it all over my eyelid. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'll just blend out the edges. And if you do not have a brush like this, then you can skip this step. You can see I'm just swiping my brush gently from outer corner towards inner corner. Let's quickly repeat this on my another eye. This cream shadow stick is quite pigmented. It has just enhanced my eyes so beautifully. Again, taking this shadow sticks, and I'll apply it on my inner corner, so just as to amp it up. Wow, can you see this? Next, I'm taking this ink eyeliner. This one is from Maybelline, and I'll just create a wing on the outer corner of my eyes. I've created a wing on the outer corner of my eyes to elongate my eyes, and yeah, this is it with my eyes. Now I'll just apply a mascara. For my mascara, I'm taking this Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. I'll apply it on my upper lashes, and then later I'll apply it on my lower eyelashes as well. That's it with my eyes. You can see I've not done a lot on my eyes, but still it's looking very classy and glamorous. Last step to do my lips, and for that, first I'm applying a lip liner. This one is from K Beauty, and this is in the shade. I have to check this out, and I'll leave the details in the description box below. So first I'm lining my lips. Once I have created a frame on my lips, I also like to apply my lip liner on the center of my lips. Now again, this step can be skipped. I had Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, so I'm applying it to plump my lips. And this will also give a glossy effect on my lips. But if you don't have this, you can skip this step. It's not really necessary. This product has started to tingle my lips, and I'm sure it is plumping my lips a little bit. Now let me come to the star product of my lips, and that would be Fenty Glow from Fenty Beauty. And you can see it is a very gorgeous light brown nude shade. I'll apply it on my lips. This has a very creamy glossy effect to it, and once you have applied it, it stays for a good long time. I need to touch it up after I've had food or some drink, but still it remains on your lips like a lip stain, so it looks good even if you have not reapplied it. See how creamy and luscious my lips are looking. I have 3 shades from this range of Fenty Beauty and I love all of them. So that's it for my makeup. Let me do my hair and I'll be back. This is my final look. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this look, and if you love to create this look. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.